Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do an enveloping of 4 items. They're going to be 8 by 10s. This one's going to be about 11 by 14. The 11 by 14 will be for last. I'm going to show you these first 3. And 2 of these are from pre-orders. One I got it from a coupon during Friday the 13th, which I'm always going to know which one it is. And this one is going to be a little bit special. So no chit chat, let's see what's inside. Like right now. Alrighty folks, so first 2 are going to be pre-orders that I pre-ordered from CP Authentics and GalaxyCon.com. One I got it off of eBay with a offer I got, and it is Beckett authenticated and and very authenticated as well, JSA as well. And the other one I got it with a coupon that occurred on Friday the 13th last week. So no chit chat folks, let's take a look at this first item. This one is going to be from GalaxyCon. And what did I get from GalaxyCon? Does anybody know this scene? And look at the character name. Captain Riley Hale. And it's signed by the man himself, Christian Slater. Holy cow. Holy cow. Christian freaking Slater. Christian Slater, everybody. Played Captain Riley Hale in the 1996 action film Broken Arrow. And he played this character great. He was also Nick Woods in The Wizard with Fred Savage, Beau Bridges as well, and also Tobey Maguire's in the film. But he was in his teens at the time, so he played the character, I believe, of Andre. So yeah, he's in the film, and so is Christian Slater. And then he was Arkansas in what film? The sequel to Young Guns 2. He played Arkansas in Young Guns 2. Yeah, and now I'm getting word that there's going to be a third called Guns 3, aka Young Guns 3. So the first 2 Young Guns kick ass. Third, I can't wait to see what's about to happen. So yeah. So here it is. Christian Slater, Captain Riley Hale from Broken Arrow. And this is signed, and let me see here. Ooh, I gotta be careful. I can't show the back part. But I did get a JSA authenticated. But it's in the back. But in the back it has something I can't show. So yeah, here it is, folks. Okay, on to the next one. I got me a Tobin Bell autograph. Tobin Bell signature, Jigsaw. From the Saw franchise. Oh my god, I can't believe I got one. And also, as of recently, Saw 10 is out. I gotta get a chance to see that film pretty soon. I want to see it. And yeah, and you see it right here, folks. JSA people. So yeah, let me know. Is anybody here a fan of the Saw movies? If you have, please let me know in the comments down below. And also, I forgot to mention, Christian Slater was Michael Griffin in Hollow Man 2. So I'll talk about that for another time. So yeah, Tobin Bell, man, he played the anti-hero villain in the Saw films. So tell me, which is your favorite Saw movie? Tell me which is your favorite line in the movie. We always hear the word, "I want to play a game." But man, his voice sounded was amazing in those installments. Screw the spin-off movie called Spiral with Chris Rock. I mean, I wish it could have been something cool and unique, but sadly, it wasn't meant. To me, I saw it, I had expectations. Oh well. But it's not in my collection. I haven't bought it, and I'm even thinking about buying it. So yeah. This is the Jigsaw Tobin Bell signature from the Saw franchise. Okie dokie, on to the next one. So the next one here, I got it with a coupon from CSR Collectibles. So shout outs to CSR. And this particular one is from a Friday the 13th film. Which one am I referring to? You're familiar with all the other ones. But one dude played the villain in all 4 installments. Now, which is the guy that played the Jason 4 times? Who played him 4 times? Kane Hodder. I'm planning to get an Uber Jason autograph to complete my Friday the 13th collection. So yeah, here it is, man. This is the sequence where Jason breaks out of his uh, chained place and he kills the guards that were about to escort him. And even the dumb line in Jason X is, what is it? Everything's gonna be all right, or something like that. Every time they say that, death comes knocking on the door. Everything's gonna be fine, or something. Yeah, last time someone said that, they ended up dead. And he uses the chain to whack some of the guards, and he gets shot, and then David Cronenberg gets speared in the back. So this is the scene from Jason X in the first act, before he is frozen. And man, Kane Hodder did a hell of a job playing this character. He kept it alive for many years. And also this is a, okay, here it is, JSA. Also, I have this card that I got. And what a surprise. This is a 45 limited edition, obviously Halloween. And this is Cody Robinson from the 2018. He's a stuntman. I think he was a stunt double during the sequence. And yeah, he is the stunt double. Cody Robinson did play Michael Myers in the Rob Zombie Halloweens, doubling Tyler Mane. Also, he doubled James Drew Courtney in the scene where final girl Laurie Strode, played by Jamie Lee Curtis, hits Michael with something and he knocks him down to the basement. So yeah, Cody Robinson, folks. And here he is. I think he played Michael in the 2007. I'm not so sure, but here it is. Pause it very carefully if anybody wants to read. And yeah, very ashamed I couldn't go to the Halloween 45. Man, I couldn't even like die to go to that convention because I'm a big fan of Halloween. My family isn't, so yeah, I got this on Friday the 13th for a good price. Jason X, everybody. Tell me which is your favorite Friday the 13th in the comments down below. Okie dokie, on to the next one. This particular one, folks, is going to be a big one. So this is 11 by 10. And this particular one, I wish I could have gotten it back when CSR, but it was only limited to like 25 pieces or 100. But here it is, folks. Whoa. This is a split face autograph signed by the man who played Jason Voorhees and Michael Myers in Friday the 13th Part 5 in the beginning and Halloween 4, The Return of Michael Myers. This here is the split face. Oh yeah, the split face. My God, it's magnificent. But the hockey mask, like I said in my video, when I talk about Friday the 13th Part 5, this is a blue chevron mask. You see that? That's the imposter Jason. But he did play the real Jason in a couple scenes where you see flashbacks and illusions. Like one moment he's there and one moment he isn't. There he is. And then you have Michael Myers. And you heard me say this. 2 guys played Michael Myers in Halloween 4. Half of it was Tom Morga, halfway through the film. But then he was replaced by George P. Wilbur. So 2 guys play Michael Myers. I don't give a damn what anyone says. But we did lose George this year. And I hope that in Halloween 45, I hope they gave a silent tribute to him, as well as Jim Winburn. Anyways, amazing. Look at this, folks. And this is a pretty big one, 11 by 14. And I'll show you in a moment where I store 11 by 14. But again, folks, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I finally got one. So yeah, this is the split face autograph. There's one in flames. And, I mean, really, man. Tom Morga, you're listening to this. You're the man, dude. You played 3 iconic villains. Jason, Leatherface, and Michael Myers. But if you heard me say about Texas Chainsaw 2, Tom played Leatherface in the bridge sequence, the beginning of the first act. So that was the bridge scene. That was Tom Morga all the way. So yeah, thank you, man. And wow, very cool. And with that, let me show you something on the side that I got 3 years ago on my 29th birthday. My cousin Valerie gave me this design. I'm gonna put it next. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna put this. She made this on my 29th birthday. Like, wow. Let me put this side by side. Hold on. Tell me, folks, what do you guys think? Amazing, right? My cousin Valerie designed this for me on for my birthday. I just couldn't believe it with my own eyes. I can't believe it. Thank you, cuz. And I keep this since I don't even know where am I going to hang this, but it's beautifully made. So yeah. If Tom Morga comes around, maybe I'll have him sign this. Maybe I should. But this was for my 29th birthday. Oops, sorry for that, folks. So yeah. Amazing. I got, again, this was 3 years ago on my 29th birthday. And I got this one recently. So yeah, folks. And tell me, which is your favorite Tom Morga villain that he portrayed on screen? He doubled Leonard Nimoy in Star Trek. He played other character roles. And do your research, people, and tell me, what do you think of his work that he had done? And any of you guys fans of Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides? Yes, he did stunts for that film. And another coincidence, Derek Mears plays Master at Arms in the film, played Jason in the Friday the 13th, 2009. So you got two Jasons in the Pirates of the Caribbean world. What a coincidence, right? Tell me what you guys think anyway. So yeah. Also, you like content like this and your other content, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of new uploads. Give the video a thumbs up, really appreciate it. And also have any opinions, comments down below. So let me show you where I do store this particular size of an autograph very quickly before signing off. Also, in case anybody would start framing and the next thing you know, if you're going to move to another part of the state or something, you can take this with you and these can last you for a very long time. This is a portrait and they have variation sizes. One is by 4x7. I'm not going to say it all, just pause it very carefully. This is a Itoya or Profolio. Okay? Pause that very carefully, folks, so you can look it up and get one. This one is the 11x14. And obviously you're seeing one of these. And you can put it one on a side, one at a side, one in the back, you know. So yeah, you got plenty of space. Depends on how much I can fit. Alrighty, so enough chit chat. Let's see how I'm going to put the split face into there. Alrighty, so here it is. Fits perfectly. This is again 11x14, and maybe in a later on video I'll show you the 8x10. But right now I'm just showing you this. This is how I use Storage to keep it safe for many years. And if you're going to be hanging frames, go ahead and do that. But if you're going to move, always keep this safe. And if you're going to take this to a convention, if you're going to have anybody sign a bigger autograph, make sure you bring this as well to make sure you're going to have this stored properly. You can still get you can still get something like this and make sure it's safe, but you got to have a backpack with you at all times. So yeah. So let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, from the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, and all the other collectors out there. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy Wednesday, y'all. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all.